Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is August bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. Messages for you. Overall energy, 3 of cups with Knight of Wands. I think there will be some celebration in near future in the month of August. Pisces, especially in the work area, or for some those who are in separation, you want reconciliation with your person. Yeah, you are very passionate. You want to take action towards your person because you love this person a lot, Pisces. Yes, you are very passionate about this person. Maybe in past you stubborn, but now you want to take action because you want reconciliation. So your overall energy is 3 of cups is here. So let's see. Your reading recent past 8 of wands, magician and 10 of cups. In recent past there was lots of communication between you and your person. And maybe you manifested this person or they manifested you. And 10 of cups, yes, you both are happy with each other. There are no issues in past. But present the tower, 3 of swords and 10 of pentacles. Definitely lots of you are in separation. You are heartbroken. You are going through a tower moment without this person. And because you already dreamed about your person. Maybe you both have kids, you both have happy family. You dreamed about like that. But it is not happening. That's why you are heartbroken. You're going through a tower moment, Pisces. Then future, Queen of Cups, 7 of Wands and Knight of Pentacles. So you still have strong emotions towards your person. So that's why you want to try again. So that's why maybe you want to offer your love to your person. And for some, a brand new person is entering into your life. Someone, but they are in slow moving energy. But what I'm getting here, you still have strong emotions towards your person. So let's clarify the cards. 8 of Wands in past. Page of Pentacles, High Priestess and 3 of Cups. I think you both have strong spiritual connectivity. Definitely both are happy with each other in past. Definitely some manifesting. And Magician, clarification cards, the Emperor, 6 of Swords and Hanged Man. And 10 of Cups, Queen of Cups, 6 of Pentacles and 7 of Swords. See, I think here someone is sneaking this connection. Someone played game with other person. According to me, it's your person, but energy could be vice versa. But yes, I think you are very honest with this person, but they are always in and out of your life. There is no clarity. That's why the separation had happened between you and your person. Yes, because but you have very strong emotions towards this person. You're always giving chances to them again and again, no matter what happens between you and your person. So let's clarify the tower. Yeah. So this tower moment is very painful for you, Pisces. You still spying on them. You're thinking about them a lot because you want marriage with this person. It was not happened, but you can't let them go. It is not easy for you to forget them. That's why you're still spying on them, or they're spying on you, but you're thinking about them a lot. Let's clarify. Three of Swords. Yeah, you are obsessed with them and you want reconciliation. You're being very patient. I think there is no balance in this connection, and for some, this person may be toxic for you because the devil energy, dark energy. Yes, because Seven of Swords and the devil, definitely they played they played so many games with you. Maybe truth coming out. That's why you are heartbroken. You gone through a tough moment. Now you're trying to balance things in your life, Pisces. Yeah, for some, this person really toxic for you. Yeah, you're heartbroken. Nine of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, clarification cards, Nine of Swords, Three of Swords, and Seven of Cups. Right now, you are in anxiety and depression type of energy. You are heartbroken and you are in some confusion. Definitely. They always keep putting you in false hopes. Especially, there is no seriousness from your person and Pisces. So that's why you've gone through a lot. You've gone through a lot. Wow. This is very, very typical period for you. But you're trying to balancing things. So let's clarify future Queen of Cups. Yeah, this is one type of ending between you and your person, because Death, Knight of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. So you are trying to out of this ending and focusing on yourself and focusing on new beginnings. Especially you're trying to focusing on your money. So let's clarify Seven of Wands. Sorry, Seven of Wands, yes. Yeah, Seven of Wands, clarification, Knight of Cups, the Fool, and Five of Swords. So yeah, there are backstabbing. Maybe your person is a liar, is a cheater. So you want to be in the full energy, living in the present moment and going with the flow. But someone is coming. I am seeing multiple options. Some love offer is coming for you. I am seeing multiple options for you, Pisces. But you are focusing on yourself. You are very defensive. So let's clarify Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. So you are healing. You are taking rest. And for some, there is communication is coming with clarity. Someone is coming back with an apology. I think it is your past person, because they cheated on you. Maybe they lied to you. Cheater, player, or whatever, you name it. But definitely they're coming back with an apology and some communication is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on, the final outcome. But you're in future, definitely there is some healing for you. You are taking rest and you're healing. The Star. Right now, you're both not talking with each other. You both are stubborn. You both are juggling. See, Two of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, Knight of Cups, Four of Cups. You both missing each other, and you both have romantic feelings for each other. But right now, you both are not talking with each other. You both thinking through your logical minds. So yeah, you both are juggling. Definitely you both are juggling, but you both missing, but you both wishing for the same. You both want rebirth in this connection. There is some communication and clarity is coming. See again, Three of Cups. You both want reconciliation, but you both are stubborn now. Especially Pisces, you are healing, but there is some conclusion or there is some clarity. Communication is coming for you. And a lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A lot of air energy. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. Surrender to the divine full moon. So if you're not getting solutions for your problems, so this is the message for you. Surrender your problems to the divine. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.